What's the meaning of accost? Accost. 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 Accost means to approach or address someone boldly or aggressively. It typically involves initiating a conversation with someone who may not necessarily want to engage with the person doing the accosting. The result of accosting someone can vary from a positive interaction to a negative one, depending on how the other person responds. On the more negative side, accosting can be seen as intrusive or even threatening, especially if it is done in an inappropriate or unwelcome manner.